Welcome back to Hemsjunction. If you're new here, this is the place for fun, hands-on puzzles and creative shape making. Have you ever tried making geometric shapes using a tangram puzzle? Well, today I'll show you exactly how it's done. For those who don't know, a tangram is a dissection puzzle of 7 flat shapes which can be used to create hundreds of different shapes and designs. A detailed video of what is a tangram is also uploaded. You can check that out for a more clear explanation. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to arrange these pieces to form some cool geometric shapes. So grab your tangram set and let's dive right in. Let's start with the simplest one, the square. Next, let's make a triangle. This is one way of making a triangle. Here is the second way of making a triangle. The small square over here can be made in different ways. So this becomes the third design of a triangle. Now let's turn our shapes into a rectangle. This is one way of making a tangram rectangle. Here is another way of making a rectangle. As shown earlier, this square can be made in different other ways. So this becomes a third way of making a rectangle. This one is a parallelogram, a four-sided polygon with two pairs of equal and parallel sides. Let's move on to trapezoid, a shape with one pair of parallel sides. This is an isosceles trapezoid where a pair of non-parallel sides are equal in length. Now we shall see how to make four types of right trapezoid. A right trapezoid has one pair of right angle. This is the first design of right trapezoid. Here is the second design. The third way of making a right trapezoid. This is the fourth way. Let's make a five-sided pentagon. I shall be showing three ways of making a tangram pentagon. Here is the first one, a house-type pentagon. The second tangram pentagon. The third one. The third one is a concave pentagon. Let's move on to tangram hexagon. A hexagon is a six-sided polygon. Here I have shown 5 designs. This is the first one. Second way of making a tangram hexagon. The third design of a tangram hexagon. This is the fourth one. The fifth one is a concave hexagon. For those who want a challenge, let's try an octagon, an 8-sided polygon. Let's make a tangram cube shape. Here is a tangram star polygon. Let's conclude this video with the difference between a convex polygon and a concave polygon. A convex polygon has all interior angles less than 180 degrees and all vertices pointing outward. A concave polygon has at least one interior angle greater than 180 degrees with at least one vertex pointing inward, making it look like caved in. If you enjoyed this video, hit subscribe and ring the bell for more puzzle fun on Hemsjunction. Drop a comment below telling which shape was your favorite, and I'll see you in the next video. You may also check out these interesting tangram videos. Thank you for visiting Hemsjunction.